skipping this section.
He gonna be last?
I don't like this one. It's too
I'll get him
difficult.
started.
Oh, remix this one.
You make me stand far away, huh?
No, but you can still see it.
Well, you can see too, huh?
But not a lot. Before I couldn't see it, but now.
Where are the dancing to? What?
You just do it when I don't move the controller too. I like how she twirls around and does the thing that she usually does. Oh, I'm terrible at this. Makes
So good at it.
Oh, Pom Pom's the best.
Steven has 0 points, so two.
Daddy, are you even doing Steven?
Yes, yeah. Steven, you dance.
Oh, my favorite. I'm so
Steven
good at this
dance.
and I love it. I love this one. This is my super favorite. Well, all of them are my favorite, but this one's my super favorite. I like the fast ones too.
I didn't want anything to, right?
Oh, Daddy's ahead by 1 point. Daddy's ahead of 1 point from me.
How about me? 3 points behind you.
I'm not as good at that.
Steven is 0.
You. Why does Waluigi do it all the time?
Oh, I'm kind of early.
On the
Kind of
third
early.
note,
So.
Like that. But don't follow Mario. He's not doing anything.
Late. Oh, not me.
Oh. Mommy.
Oh, not me. I don't know which way to go. I don't know which one to do either.
Oh, I'm behind by 1 point still.
I got
I'm
zero.
ahead by 1 point now.
I got 0.
Oh, I love this one. I'm ahead by so many points now.
Oh, you did look
But why did I get rid of your points at some point, Julie?
I don't know. I think I got perfect one time on this.
not good.
I don't know which way to
Perfect.
go.
I got perfect.
Oh, good job, Julie.
Amazing.
Daddy was the only one that got perfect.
Julie will be the
I was
winner.
ahead at the beginning, but Julie caught up.
I got up.
She
How
passed
about
it.
me?
I was good at the
She's
last
good at
one.
the washing windows. And
Yeah,
yeah,
the
that
dance.
last one.
Because I got perfect, and you got perfect on too.
Not this time. I think I was second. Mommy's third.
No,
Oh,
I'll be
Julie,
last.
that's for your dancer,
No,
Julie.
Mario's last because he got 0
She has
points.
to do
Yeah,
it all the
mine
time.
was really last. Like, mine
It's
is
still dancing.
definitely gonna be last. They're all still dancing, except Peach. She's like this.
Oh, you won the last 4. Wow.
How's Steven?
Oh, you broke the record.
How's Steven?
What, me?
Good job, Julie.
Ooh, I have 100 on the
Ooh,
last
I
one.
won the mirror one.
100%. That has
And the fruit.
100%.
Oh,
Which button to it?
I won the fruits and the mirror,
yeah.
Julie.
Mommy's horrible at the dancing one.
The dancing is on.
Alright.
All right, next to the other game.
I did not do good at washing windows.
Steven, do you like Rarity but best Steven Nana?
Alright, Steven. You can
You do,
play the
Steven,
regular
now?
one now.
You do?
I'm like, oh.
Go to the next thing.
I just leave it there.
Okay, start here. Which wheel are we on?
Third.
Third.
Let's see who can get the most.
Oh,
Ooh,
I hate this one.
I love it.
I'll
This
finally like it. I'll finally like all many
No,
games.
no, you do it. I'm not doing it for you.
It's not
It's
scary.
not scary. It's just a.
It is when he
chemical.
wakes up scared.
She's leaving, honey. She's scared of the wiggler.
Stop laughing
He's
at
so
me.
cute.
Dad, can you?
Steven? You want to try again?
No, unless you gotta wake up.
Oh no. A 3-way tie, Julie. Bowser's the loser. Everybody won except for Bowser.
Bowser woke him up.
Yeah.
So everybody was ahead.
Everybody got 7.
Everybody had 7, but Bowser woke him up, so he lost all his points.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes, he
that's
got
good.
4 anyway.
A terrible at this one.
You're not playing?
Oh,
So you're
oh.
not good at something? You just don't even play it?
Yeah, remember the magic one?
Why do you want to shake it up to your head, Julie?
They're showing Mario what he's supposed to do. Oh,
Sorry, Julie.
They got 0.
at least I'm not last. Mario
I'm winner.
is last.
Can you do it for looking for love?
No.
I'm doing the
Oh,
roll.
looking for love is fun.
The hardest
Yeah,
fun.
we're doing it by rows, but we're not doing it again.
You stick your claim.
Oh, how did it work?
You gotta count which one is the biggest.
Move the cursor.
Oh, I love this one. Except that the pot if I get the wrong one.
This part.
What should I do with this one?
Just pick the one that you think is the biggest.
But you always pick the biggest and I can't, Julie.
No, I don't. Sometimes I don't pick the biggest. Like in the practice, you just pick the biggest. I'm just
Oh, I wanted that. I get the smallest one, I think. Steven, just pick it. You don't have a choice.
But that one is the smallest one.
No, it's not. It might be the biggest.
I
See,
think
it
it's
is
the
the
biggest.
biggest. Steven, it is the
Yeah.
biggest.
It's the biggest, Steven.
Oh, I was gonna choose that one. I'm still
Oh,
gonna
mine's the smallest one.
Mommy, but Mommy, you got me the smallest one because you chose the one I was gonna get.
Oh. Sorry, Julie. That's the smallest one.
Pick it.
It doesn't
Go
say
down.
anything.
There you go.
Can I win the next one?
Maybe.
Because Steven's gonna win. Steven, pom-pom's ahead of me. I was gonna steal
Oh,
Steven's.
the big one. I should have taken the top one. That's the big.
Which button now?
You know, you gotta be on it. You weren't.
Bowser's got
Which
the
one, Julie? This one
biggest-
never worked, Julie.
I don't know.
It does work.
Bowser got.
I'm the winner.
Yeah, but I'm gonna win the next one.
But how do you know?
Because I'm always gonna. Dad, can I win the next one?
Well, try. Try your best.
Do not.
I mean, don't laugh, Steve.
We're gonna.
It means.
Oh, she's good at this one.
Ooh, rumble
But
fish.
you're just kind of guessing that one, you know. You're just kind of guessing. You
No,
know?
you have to hear the
So
strong
you have to
song.
feel for the biggest rumble, and,
Ooh,
then,
I got
and
giant
then
fish
pull
in
up that
that.
fish. Press the buttons and pull it up.
Which button to pull?
Press these buttons and pull it up.
Actually, I think you just did that.
Oh, you don't have to press the buttons.
Yeah, you don't have to press the buttons, I think.
Okay.
Before I did this and it doesn't, and it just goes up.
Hey, I'm gonna. Why do you always want me to pick the smallest one?
I was just trying. What is
Mine will be shortest one.
Oh, Bowser got it.
Bowser?
Why is Pete so far away from there? Well,
Because she likes it. It's softer. That place is
She's
softer.
relaxing.
Yeah, that place is softer. Mine got the hard grass.
Now you have to
I don't
eat
know.
that giant fish now.
Yeah, Mommy has to eat that giant fish. Go, Mommy. Eat the giant fish.
Yum 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 yum.
Oh, I hate this.
So you have to try to hear the rumble of what they show you, and then you have to try to guess which one did it. Right?
Yes.
Did he just say pickaxe?
Pika.
I feel like he said pickaxe.
No, he said Pika, I think.
Why does he hear Pika? This is about rumble, not Pikas. I don't even know what a Pika is.
So which one?
Imagine if
You got 5 points. That's not fair.
Well, I got it first.
That's not fair. We should have everyone 5 points, right, Julie?
Too bad.
That was first, that's it.
Oh, this one's hard. Oh, actually, that one's.
I guess the football guys.
No, this one's fast. I think it's even faster than the football guys.
Is that the football? I think so.
Steven,
Probably
just.
true. Oh, Steven got it. Not fair.
What if I
What?
never win a mini game?
You won the first one.
Steven
Oh.
won more.
There's nobody on the third thing.
Oh, they sound the same.
Let's see if it
Where
sounds.
you from?
I think it's the first one. Oh, we all wrong. Alright,
Told you.
let's just call we're all losers in
Oh, so
here. Where you got it?
Why do I ever win?
You do good. Usually you win stuff. You won all the dancing. Oh, I bet you will do good at this.
I'm not really good at that one.
So what do? You move around and you wait for the rumble and then you dig.
Oh, okay.
Like that. Look all around, Julie. And watch out for what happens if you hit the spiky? Oh, I see. They take your coins. Right. around here. Oh, you're lucky, because I was right next to one, but I must have been on the wall. See?
Me and Mario and Bowser. Oh, and me. I was trying to get that one, but then it stopped at the last second.
Oh, so who won? You did?
No,
Yes,
you.
I did.
No, I didn't win. I had 12. I thought you won.
Yeah, I did. I think I had like
Okay.
15 or something. Steven's getting up in
The
the middle.
cloud.
I'm gonna bet low, so I don't want to bump into people.
I'm gonna bet not too low, but not too high. Is Mario gonna go the same way?
Bowser.
Still going for the middle. Ow!
That's why you should get the middle.
Why would I get the most coins?
I know Steven always goes for the middle, so. Oh, you hit Bowser.
Oh!
Sorry,
Bowser.
Julie.
You should go for the middle to knock Steven. Oh no, now he's probably gonna go in the corner. This is all luck, Jimmy.
I'm on 0. Look at Bowser.
You have 0, Bowser?
You 0.
I'm choosing my middle.
Yeah, you plus each other.
Bowser got 0. Bowser got.
What?
Why are you only one coin?
Bowser got a record of 0, Julie. Look at Bowser.
We should laugh at Bowser.
No, they laugh at Bowser.
We're
He's
laughing at
0.
Bowser.
Steven's laughing at me.
No.
What happened to mommy?
Oh.
Are you good at this one, Julie?
Steven's bad.
Maybe I can knock Mario off.
I'm good
Yeah,
at
not
that
Mario.
one. I'm good at that one.
Can you knock people? Oh, I can. Knock him, knock him, knock him. It's hard to knock people. Knock him. Come on. Knock him off. It's hard to knock.
Oh, we
you
can
don't
push.
always want to rush because sometimes the coins come back here. Okay, let's go.
Oh,
Yeah.
he mushed me, Steven. Oh, this is difficult, Steven.
I was trying to knock Mario off and I died.
You was not on me off. I'm good at this one, guy. Okay.
Yeah, fine.
I'm gonna be last.
Ow! Ow!
Okay. We'll get the right side. Oh, sorry. We'll go back. See if you can get those.
They won't let me.
Sorry.
Bowser.
The guy got
6.
0.
Remember last time you got
It's your
0?
fault, Julie. Play another mini game.
I got 24 coins.
He's just luck. Just luck.
He's laughing at me.
Oh, I'm sure Julie's gonna win this one.
What?
I want the lightning to stick Mario.
What
Oh,
you?
lightning, huh?
Hey, do
Mario, hit the buttons. Let's go.
not. I will get my most coins. I
Oh,
got 12 like my
Bowser.
age. Julie got 12 coins like my age, right, Julie?
Well, Bowser beat you. The bad guy beat the hero, Steven.
I mean Bowser.
Time is money.
Oh, this is not look for lobs, huh?
Well, this one is just
I
a
like this one.
Well, you can skip it.
Vitamin ground pound.
I'm terrible at this one.
Like that?
I'm not really that good at it. See?
Yeah, let's try. It's hard because it takes time to do the ground pound.
Ouch!
I can use all of them.
We
One
get hit by the
coin.
ball, you get.
The ball just hit.
I'm sorry.
He's laughing at me.
Well, we finished the line, so
So well done.
No,
Yeah.
I want to keep doing
Oh, this one all done, huh, City? Or is this
No.
one last one?
No, 2 more.
I'm
Two
fine.
more.
Well, we did the
We
line.
last.